Hey guys, back with another renovation, get it done, tackling task. So yeah, I'm gonna put these on because I don't want y'all beat me up. I'm gonna put these on. These are my compression socks. This room looks a hot mess, so I'm gonna kind of straighten it up, get all that mess out of there. And I'm also going to go and straighten up that living room because it is just so much stuff everywhere, and I just want it to be where they can just access what they need and not have my stuff around. So what I want to do is try to get all my I want to get it all in this room, but then I'll be defeating the purpose because when they come back to do the finish mudding and stuff in here, I'm gonna have to keep breaking this stuff down. So I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do that. So, we have a dilemma. We'll figure it out. First of all, I'm going to put these on. This is going to be my first mission. Then after I put these on, then we are going to tackle this mess here and just kind of straighten up and get stuff. At least if I don't bring it all in the room, just kind of organize it and get it right where it's not in the way over there in that corner where I used to sit. I like that I have better lighting in here if I want, when I do my lives, not if I want, but when I do my lives. And I hope you guys are liking these tasks because I want to share the things that I'm doing. Just kind of straighten up, get stuff. See, it's a lot of spider webs in here. So I'll probably tackle getting the spider webs out of here, getting this installation, all this stuff in here that doesn't need to be in here. That's a good idea. Yep, if I do clean this out, then I could bring all my stuff in here because then I can set it in this closet and I can just cover this up. Actually, those doors are outside. I can put them doors back on because they don't need to go in this closet for nothing. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, join the family by hitting the subscribe bell and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video and you won't miss out because this channel is all about saving you the coins, teaching you how to do something and ways to do it yourself. That's what it's all about, while sharing my life journey and the way that I do it, how I'm frugal and I get things done. I'm so honored and I'm so happy to be of inspiration to a lot of you. You guys have told me this in so many ways, and some that you never talked and now you're starting to talk to me. I love the interactions. Y'all know I go live Monday through Saturday. Sunday's gonna be my break where maybe you can catch up. If you have a Sunday where you're just laying back and chilling, you don't have to work, you can catch up on the lives and see what I talked about. And what I do on the lives is fill you in on all the things that's going on behind the scenes, because I am vlogging, I am recording, but because all of the beginning journey footage is on my computer and it's not on my phone anymore, I don't want to just start y'all off anywhere. I still want to share the whole journey from the beginning of saying I need to go buy a house, I want to buy a house, trying to stay within my budget, going through the crap with certain realtors, going to different cities and different places to find homes. All of that great stuff will be in that journey, and I will be vlogging all that. I'm still vlogging behind the scenes, so that way it'll be all one complete journey and picture you can see from beginning to me creating this house and transforming this house to be my home. So let's get into the video. I don't want to ramble. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, thumbs up. If you are, also share the channel because that's how it grows. It grows. Nothing but positivity over here. Let's support one another. And yeah, if you have a channel, let me know. So yeah, let's get started with tackling these tags. But before I do all that, let's get these on. All right. So guys, these aren't really holding my legs in. I don't know. I've tried socks before, trying them on before, because you know when I have the problem of traveling and they did swell, I would try some, but these are not really compressing. So we'll see. I'm gonna keep them on and see how they work. But yeah, I don't want y'all jumping down my throat. But I got them on. Let's see how they work and if they help. But my legs haven't been swelling up, so we'll see. All right, continue watching. All right, y'all. open the front door. It is hot, but I don't have no light in here. Y'all, I don't know what happened to Doug. I don't know by the time y'all see this, will he be back? But he didn't answer. This was supposed to be his next day coming after he was doing good and everything seemed to be going fine. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So, I got this situated. I'm about to get the rest of this stuff up. This tote, these boots and all this stuff. That way to just be clear for them. I'm going to get that rug, take that in there as well. And then just have this area clear and you'll see it. I'm also getting ready to mix up some bleach and water in here and just spray it around the furnace area and around where the open rooms are under the floor. Spray that around. So I'm getting ready to do that. Yeah, so you'll see me do that as well. What else? At the end, I usually tell you what I did. So we'll see. Let's finish tackling this so I can close the door, get back in that room and get under the fan because I don't know what's going on in here. I'll be back. Living room and it's here, so I'm going to get it in the room. I don't have two cameras, so I guess I'm going to just put you in the room as I pile it up in the room and kind of situate it in there. Put some of the stuff up there. It's like in my way now. So I'm gonna have to slide it down just to get in here. I'm gonna take some of this bleach and water and wipe down the racks and stuff like that because they look a hot mess. But I'm gonna put some gloves on because that's what I feel I need to do. So I'll be right back. You guys watch. Okay, that was another renovation, get it done, tackle the task with me because I'm done. That closet was disgusting. I'm gonna have to really scrub those metal things. I'm gonna keep it intact because the way they have it, you have a pole over there and then two poles on this side for short stuff. I like that. I don't know if it's gonna take this room or the other room over there. I was gonna take that one over there because it's the bigger room, But whatever room she wants, she can have. Because I actually do like this room. And I was thinking about how when I blew up my other bed, I was like, yeah, I don't need that. I can just stick with a twin size for me. You know, it's fine. But I did blow it up so when she does come, if she wants to sleep with me and we stay in the same room, you know, I don't know how it'll be by the time she get here. It'll always be ready, already be ready, because you have to keep it blown up for 48 hours. I did a video on my channel on how you keep your air mattresses lasting long. So I have multiple. I got 2 twin. I used to have a, was that a full? Yeah, I used to have a full, but it got broken from the heater. It blew up and did some crazy stuff. So I ended up getting another one, and I found one, a Best Way one, from Aldi after I had bought this Best Way one. I never heard of Best Way, but I love the Best Way. It does not fail me at the nighttime. I really love it. Maybe one day I'll do a video on it, but if you're looking for a twin size or a full size, queen size, whatever, then I bought the big Best Way, which is, let me show you real quick, is in the other room. I had inflated it. I didn't sleep on it, but I'm just going to put it back because my life is so busy and I feel like I'll forget, and then by the time she come, I'll be like, oh my gosh. So this is the bigger room, and that is a queen. And it's still a whole bunch of space in here. So this was going to be my room, but I inflated it so it can sit for 48 hours. So tomorrow I'll take it down, wrap it up, and put it back in the box. But this is Best Way. Really like it. Really like it. It's a 20-inch. I got this from Walmart, and it was like 60-something bucks. I ended up getting it for free because they did me dirty. So yeah, I have my microwave over here. But yeah, that's what I did. I still have to get this stuff together. That is gonna go in the closet. Y'all, I'm tired. I need to sit down, and I really do need to eat something. So, and I need to clean up this mess. So yeah, I'm trying to get a couple videos ahead of time so these can be consistent. You guys can see exactly what it is that I have going on behind the scenes. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. To join the family, all you have to do is subscribe. It costs you nothing. And also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. This channel has over 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500 videos that you can watch, so you can binge watch. A lot of great things to save you coins, to show you how to do things, and to show you how things operate, and to give you my honest reviews on lots of items that I currently use. Not sponsored, just sharing things with you that can save you money and hopefully save you the fluff of trying to figure it out. So with that being said, this was another downsize to upgrade on the How to DIY and Save a Dime channel, and I will see you guys later, gators.